Another really useful tool is the chords mode. So what I'm thinking with this composition is I'd like to start considering a B section. So we've got this main sort of melodic stuff going on here. We've got the bass line backing all of that up, a whole bunch of percussion, but where does it go from here? I'm going to think about adding a chord progression. This feature is really useful for beginners who don't necessarily understand musical theory, and it's not necessary to come up with some really great results. So I'm going to add a new track and I'm going to choose keys. On your QWERTY keyboard or your computer keyboard, you can actually play these notes. I want to move to the chords section, and because we've automatically our key set to A flat minor, that's the key that we see here reflected in our chords. So now when I play this, we're not just hearing a single note, we're hearing multiple notes played together. So that's what a chord is. If I click and drag this up, I can actually drag that chord into our arrangement. Now that's really great, but we've got actually different options over here for how those notes are played together, or if they are all played together, in fact. So we've got stabs, we've got arpeggiated. So if I click on arpeggiated, really interesting how those notes are played together. A little bit different to just a straight stab of all the keys together. So I'm going to actually use that. I think that's great. So I'll get rid of this. Click and drag my chord in. So you don't need to have a great deal of musical theory knowledge to be able to explore different chords and how they are played and put together an original chord progression really quickly. And lastly, so we can make this into a loop that we can continue with further on into our arrangement, I'm going to select all of those by clicking and dragging, and then I'm going to right click and hit merge regions. And now that's a loop, just like our other ones around here, that I can click and drag out and loop out for as long as I want. Another great thing about this is we can still also go back into our piano roll and edit our MIDI notes. So it's really, really customized to how we want the sound to be.